Heat and freeze. 100 years of temperature extremes. (1929) Century February, Central Europe. The cold bottomed out at -37.8 degrees Celsius. The coldest February of the 20th century in Central Europe. (1936) Cold wave, North America. The cold bottomed out at -51.1 degrees Celsius, the coldest February ever recorded on the U.S. plains. Dust Bowl heat wave, 1936. The heat peaked at 49.4 degrees Celsius, 5,000 dead. The searing peak of the Dust Bowl era. (1947) Winter of 1947, Britain. The cold bottomed out at -21 degrees Celsius. Weeks of snow in the middle of the post-war coal crisis. (1956) February 1956, cold wave, Europe. The cold bottomed out at -30 degrees Celsius. Western Europe's coldest February of the century. (1963) The Big Freeze of 1963. The cold bottomed out at -22.2 degrees Celsius. Britain's coldest winter since 1740. (1972) The Iran blizzard, 1972. The cold bottomed out at -25 degrees Celsius, 4,000 dead. The deadliest snowstorm in history buried whole villages under 8 meters of snow. (1977) January 1977, cold wave, USA. The cold bottomed out at -32 degrees Celsius. Cincinnati hit an all-time -32 degrees Celsius, and snow fell on Miami. The 1980 heat wave, USA. The heat peaked at 47.2 degrees Celsius, 1,700 dead. Dallas spent 42 straight days above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. (1995) Chicago heat wave. 1995. The heat peaked at 41 degrees Celsius, 739 dead. 5 July days killed 739 people. The 2003 European heat wave. The heat peaked at 47.4 degrees Celsius, 70,000 dead. Europe's deadliest weather disaster. (2008) Chinese winter storms, 2008. The cold bottomed out at -10 degrees Celsius, 129 dead. Ice storms paralyzed southern China during the Lunar New Year travel rush. Southeast Australia heatwave, 2009. The heat peaked at 48.8 degrees Celsius on Black Saturday. Russian heatwave, 2010. The heat peaked at 45.4 degrees Celsius, 56,000 dead. Moscow choked in peat fire smog. European cold wave, 2012. The cold bottomed out at minus 33 degrees Celsius, 800 dead. More than 800 people froze to death. Argentine heat wave, 2013-14s. The heat peaked at 45.5 degrees Celsius, 1,877 dead. Argentina's longest heat wave since 1906. Indian heat wave, 2015. The heat peaked at 48 degrees Celsius, 2,500 dead. Roads melted in Delhi. Karachi heatwave, 2015. The heat peaked at 44.8 degrees Celsius, 2,000 dead. The power failed during Ramadan. Sahara record, Wargla, 2018. The heat peaked at 51.3 degrees Celsius, the highest reliably measured temperature in Africa. (2021) Winter Storm Uri, Texas. The cold bottomed out at minus 18.9 degrees Celsius, 246 dead. The Texas power grid collapsed in the deepest freeze since 1949. Western North America heat dome. The heat peaked at 49.6 degrees Celsius, 1,400 dead. Lytton set a Canadian record of 49.6 degrees Celsius. European heat summer, 2022. The heat peaked at 47 degrees Celsius, 61,000 dead. Britain crossed 40 degrees Celsius for the first time. Sanbao record, China, 2023. The heat peaked at 52.2 degrees Celsius, 52.2 degrees Celsius in the Turpan Depression. Hajj heat disaster, Mecca. The heat peaked at 51.8 degrees Celsius, 1,301 dead. Pilgrims collapsed at 51.8 degrees Celsius by the Great Mosque. (24) Temperature extremes across a century. More than 209,000 lives lost. And the planet itself, 1.2 degrees Celsius warmer than when we began.